What's your name?
My name is Dave.
Okay, my name is Teacher Alex. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, how are you today? How are you today? Are you good?
I'm happy.
You're wonderful. Where do you study?
I'm studying secondary school.
Okay, and are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at this picture. So, who is that?
Alan.
Who is that?
Mm,
She is. Is she Alex? No. Is she Jane? No. She is Sue. Yeah.
C.
Who is that?
Yeah.
She is. Yeah, she's Jane. Who is that?
Alice.
So look at Alex. What is he doing?
Planting another hand.
Yeah. What is Sue doing?
Planting a tree.
What is Jane doing?
Walking along the path.
And what is Alice doing?
And jumping.
Yeah. Is there? Please, yeah. What is John doing?
Down, turning, turning,
Good boat.
the ball.
Yeah. And what is Billy doing?
He is swimming along the lake.
Okay. Now look at Alex. What is he wearing?
Red is in red. Blue jean.
What is Sue wearing?
Green shirt and blue jean.
Are they blue or are they purple? Are they blue? Yeah, they're blue. Okay, what is Jane doing? Oh no, sorry. What is Jane wearing?
Shirt
What color is it?
and yellow.
Yellow shirt. Yeah.
And jean.
Blue jeans. Yeah, jeans. Okay, what is Alice wearing? Alice is wearing
Shirt.
thin short. Yeah, and
And blue jean.
wonderful. Now look at Alex one more time. Describe his hair. What hair has he got? Hair. What hair? No, don't look too fast. So, what hair has he got? Hair. Look at me. Look at me.
Black hair.
Yes, he has got black hair. Describe Sue's hair.
Long hair.
Describe Jane's hair.
Long hair.
And describes Alice's hair. Describes Alice's hair.
Long hair.
Long hair. Okay, now look at the card with animals. So, where is the bird? Okay, yeah. So, pick up and put it in the tree. Okay, wonderful. So, where is the rabbit? So, put it next to the leaves. Wonderful. So, where is the dog? Put it on the bridge. And where is the frog? Put it in front of Jane. In front of Jane. Okay, wonderful. Thank you. So, high five. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.